Hello students, I hope you're doing well. Just wanted to record a video to encourage you on how to practice as you study mathematics. One of the things that we'll encourage you to do is to make sure that you dedicate time to understand what the topic is that you're learning in mathematics. The first step to becoming good at mathematics is recognizing, okay, what is the topic I'm learning today? So maybe the topic is factoring polynomials or graphing lines or solving linear equations or inequalities. You need to know what the big topic is that you're working on, but then you need to zoom in further. You need to know you basically need to look at the next level down, which is zooming in to the subcategory. What is the subcategory of the topic that you're learning? So if you're factoring polynomials, are you factoring polynomials where the leading coefficient is 1 or not? So basically what you need to do is zoom in further. You need to zoom in until you get to the most fundamental topic you're learning within the big topic you're learning. We're going to discuss this more and more on this channel, but think of it this way. When you see a math topic, that topic sometimes has 5 or 6 or 7 layers underneath that particular topic. If you're not strong in all the layers, you might struggle at the topic you're working on. But the reason you're struggling is sometimes because of 1 or 2 subcategories that you haven't tackled. I have a list of these categories I'll send to you. Just reach out to amosthemathguy@gmail.com, amosthemathguy@gmail.com, or go to my website, countingtocalculus.org, and I'll send you this list. You can look at the list to see what the subcategories of the main topics are. Once you know what the subcategory is, make sure you master the subcategory. So if I asked you, what are you learning right now, or what are you struggling with, you should be able to tell me the exact topic. The exact subtopic, ideally. Because if you know the exact subtopic, then you can tackle things from there. So those are some things to keep in mind. So now where do we go from here? How should you practice? I want to encourage students all around the world. Do not take any breaks from your math education right now. In 2026, between 2026 and 2030, don't take breaks from your math education. Keep learning math every day, even if it's a little bit at a time. Even if it's 15, 20 minutes, that's fine. Because the difference between two students after 2030 will partly be connected to how deep their math understanding is. Mathematics is the backbone of literally every piece of the future economy. Whether you're going into space science, or you're going into quantum computing, or you're going into artificial intelligence and machine learning, or you're going into chemistry or physics or material science, you're going to need to know mathematics. No school system really is ready for what's coming. So the best way to prepare is to make sure your math is intact. So this video is just telling you how to practice. And I want to encourage you to make sure that you dedicate time, learn the examples and learn the patterns from the examples in the topics you're learning, and then do practice problems. And then check if you're right. And then if you're wrong, find out why you're wrong and do more practice problems. But let's keep learning, keep growing, collaborate with other students. Teach others what you learn. These will be important skills in this era that we're in. So my name is Amos Tarfa. This is Counting to Calculus. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I will be providing more strategies for becoming exceptional in mathematics. But this is the beginning. Take care and have a blessed day.